distancing is giving a huge impact on our lives. An early study by researchers shows that social distancing or isolation is having a huge and significant impact on people's mental health or well-being. I feel really depressed and lonely sometimes, given all the time and these holidays and weekends, and I can't really go out. But there are some activities you can do at home, such as cooking, yoga, exercising, I don't know, indoor gym, and then maybe picking up a new hobbies, or even talk to your friends or your families. Going outside in this situation is certainly not the best idea, especially to a crowded place. It is also will create a great limitation for us to buy something we want, especially in a crowded place like stores or malls. So I decided to make a care package for my best friends, and I will make a 2 small box containing small random stuffs. And you can also follow my mixed care package, or you can just make it yourself. One thing you need to remember when you make your mixed care package is you don't need to buy expensive stuff and put it in, because our goal is not buying people expensive thing to make them feel better, but to show them that we care and show them that it's okay to take a day off, and it's okay to just be lazy and just be relaxed for a day off. Nothing to care about. So yeah, let's make it. First thing you need to do is gathering all the things you wanna use together. After that, you're gonna have to pack it one by one. I'm making 2 care packages, and I'm using the boxes. Just remember to reduce, reuse, and recycle. So buying a gift box is a huge waste of money, and also a bad thing for environments, because paper is made from the wood from the jungle. So I don't want people chip off the wood, so I'm using the used box from the iron and the skincare I bought. They're pretty small, and I think it's perfect. Let's see if I can put all the stuff together inside. Let's start to cut it into small parts so we can use it to wrap things one by one, so it doesn't destroy one another. So the tea is fine, I guess. And then we'll make a mix of candies and vitamins, maybe in this small jar. And I'm also gonna send them like a can to save money. It will remind them to save money. And I remember back then in college, one of my best friend is my traveling buddy. So we go overseas together, and I think it's gonna be good to remind her to save money together and remember those moments with me. And actually, it's just, I think, a can for coins, but I think it's pretty cute, so I buy it anyway. So because the can is empty, I'm gonna put another gift inside, um, just a space wise too, so it doesn't take too much space. And oh, it's not really fit. Well, I will just do this. So this bath bomb is actually from Thailand, but bought in Korea. And this soap is actually from Italy, but this is imported to Japan. It's bought there from Japan. And now we also put some mask inside. Into this. This is a mask from Dr. Jart Plus. I'm actually selling some of them. I will link in the description. And also some cat mask. This is bubbly and will come up like this. This is really good for black hat on the nose. Some Tony Moly. This is really cheap, only like $1 Singapore. So there it is, we have it. So package, not so bad, even though not so good. I think the package doesn't have to be pretty, but supposed to be useful. I don't know, I just like practical thing. So there it is. You can just making your own mix, and remember, it doesn't have to be super special, super personal. You just have to make small little things you think they enjoy, and I will link everything I buy here below. You also can buy the sheet mask. I sell it somehow. Bye.